I am excited to share that I have been selected for Precision Group with a package of 2.7 LPA. My name is Pratik Sawale. I am from Buldana, Maharashtra. I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Anuradha Engineering College. While searching for a job, my friend recommended me Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. It is an IT recruitment and consulting company. I joined their full-day job internship program with the help of experienced mentor. I learned important skills like ITIL, CCNA, networking, Linux, cybersecurity, Windows administration, and troubleshooting. The trainer was excellent with the regular session, mock interviews, and hands-on practice, which gave me real job experience. The trainer were very supportive throughout my journey. I am thankful to Evision Technoserve for this opportunity and highly recommend it to job seekers looking for a good training and career guidance.